Okay, Abdul Rahman, before we start, better remove your hand if you don't have questions.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Abdul Rahman.
Mister, I have a questions in the homework.
Right, Abdul Rahman, we will do the lesson of today. At the last 10 minutes, we will do questions about the previous one, okay?
Okay.
Now, today, this week, guys, if you check your weekly plan, in Tuesday, inshallah, and Thursday, there will be questions about chapter 1. So, if you have any questions about chapter 1, lessons from 1 to 8, you can ask me and you can prepare your questions. You can revise during the next 2 days and prepare your questions for the lesson of Tuesday and the lesson of Thursday. So, it's okay. We have 2 periods, whole periods, to check or to solve any questions that you did not understand in this chapter. So don't worry. Okay, Abdul Rahman?
Okay.
Right. Now, guys, let's start with our lesson. Our lesson is solve rate problems. Solve rate problems, page 65. This is lesson 8. Today we'll start with, and tomorrow, inshallah, we'll finish it. Solve rate problems, page 65. Now, to know the idea of this lesson, let's talk about this example here. Now, let's read the example, guys, together. If you can buy 12 books by $24, okay? What is the price of 35 books? Again, if you can buy 12 books by $24, what is the price of 35 books? Now, to know the price of the 35 books, we need to know the price of one book. For example, if the price of one book $5, okay, then simply to know the price of the 35 books, we can multiply 5 with 35, right? So, to know the price of number of items, we need to know the price of one item. For example, and I want someone to answer me here, if the price of one pencil is 2 riyals, if the price of one pencil is 2 riyals, what is the price of 12 pencils? Have you one pencil? Okay, guys? So, if the price of one pencil is 2 riyals, what is the price of 12 pencils?
Mister, can I say it?
Yalla, say it. What's Abdul Rahman? 24. How we get the 24, guys? We multiply the price of one item by the number of the items. The price of one item by the number of the items. And actually, you do this, guys, every time you go to the supermarket. You do this thing every time you go to the supermarket. For example, if you want to buy 3 packets of chips, for example, and each one is 2 riyals, so you will pay directly 6 riyals. You will do it mentally, 3 by 2, 6. So to know the number or the price of total of items, guys, we need to know the price of one item. So here, one pencil, 2 riyal, 12 pencil will be 24, means 12 times 2 or 2 times 12. Both are 24. Now here, guys, I don't know the price of one book. I know the price of how many books? 12 books. To know the price of one book, we need to find something. We did it in the previous lesson. We call it the unit price. The unit price. The unit price means the price of one item. Now we'll make our rate. We will make our rate, find the unit rate, then we can know the price of 35 books. Now to know our rate, guys, here we have 12 books, $24, and we always put the money up, $24, and down 12 books. This is what? This is our rate. From where I get this rate? From the question. I'm reading the question. If you can buy 12 books by $24. So 12 books down, the number of items, and the salary, sorry, the price of the 12 books is $24 up. Now, to find the number of the price of one book, we need to turn it to unit rate, and we call it unit price here in these things. So here I will divide, we know this idea, by 12 up and down. And the answer will be up will be $2, down will be one book. So now what I know the price of one book. If the price of one book is $2, what is the price of 35 books? Who can tell me, guys? What we will do to find the price of 35 books? Huh? Tamer, Yusuf.
Yes, mister.
Yes, mister. Can you tell me how we know the price of 35 books on this example here?
Yeah, 2 multiply by 35.
35 books, each book $2, like 12 pencils, each pencil 2 riyals. So it's the same here. So 35 multiplied by 2. So the price of
2
35 books,
equals 70.
35 times 2, which is $70. $70. So the idea here, guys, طبعا this is one way of solving the question. This is the first way, huh? هذه first method. First method. Now, the second method, guys, how we solve this question in two methods. This is the first method. The first method, find the price of one item, then multiply with the number which the question wants. Now, the second method, guys, we will make proportions. We will make proportions, and please focus here. Please. Please focus, guys, please. Now, I'll read the question again. If you can buy 12 books by $24, this is our first rate. First rate, $24 over 12 what? Books. I'll put what? Equal. And I will make another rate. Focus, guys. Focus. From where I get this? From the question. Always put the dollars up and the number of items down. The second one will continue. What is the price? What is the price? Means number of dollars is unknown. So here I'll put my question mark. Okay? For how many books? For 35 books. Here down, 35 books. Here dollars and here books. What we call this, guys? Proportional rates. This rate, I brought it from the question. The second rate, from the question itself here. So the question said $24 in 12 books. How many dollars for 35 books? $24 for 12 books. How many dollars for 35 books? Okay, guys? And we put them equal. Now the question mark, I'll replace it with a variable. If you remember, we call it what? Y. Now we did this, guys, where we did this in ratios. But we'll do the same thing in rates. We did this in ratios. Now we'll do it in rates, same idea. Now who can remember, guys? Who can tell me what I need to do here? The first step here, we did that before. Who can tell, guys, what I need to do here? Huh? Hisham. What?
We'll do the cross product.
Excellent. We'll do the cross product. 24 multiply 35 equals 12 multiply y. 24 multiply 35 equals 12 multiply y, guys. Don't write 12 multiply y. Write 12y direct. This is algebra. Now let's find the answer of this. 24 multiply 35. The multiplication of a 24 multiply 35, multiply normally. 5 by 4, 20. 5 by 2, 10 with 2, 12. Now here 0, 3 by 4, 12. 3 by 2, 6 with 1, 7. Then add 0, 4, 8. 840. This is 840 equals 12y. Now who can tell me how I can find the value of y? We did that before, guys. Who can tell? Excellent, boys. Yalla. Abdul Hamid.
12 divided by 12 and 840 divided
Yeah,
by
and we divide both sides with the number which is besides the variable always. So here I'll divide by 12 and here I'll divide by 12. Now 12 crossed with the 12 is still what here?
Y.
Don't forget, still y. And here we make long
Division.
division. Let's make long division. 840 divided by 12. I'll make it here. 840 divided by 12. 84 on 12, 7. 84. Subtract 0, 0, 0 in quotient. How much?
70.
70. So y equals 70. What?
$70.
$70. Now, in the second method, I have 70. And here also, guys, in the first method, 70. Now, let's take a look to the both methods together here. Hope you can see the handwriting on the board.
Mister, could I
Now,
ask you?
wait, ya Abdul Hamid. Now, guys, let's talk about the whole thing here together. This is example, not in the book, but I want you to understand the whole idea of this lesson by understanding this example. Now, let's read the example again, guys, and try to analyze it second time. If you can buy 12 books by $24, what is the price of 35 books? First method, we can find the unit rate, then multiply by the wanted number here and find the answer. Second method, we did it in the ratios before, but we will do it in the rates. Now, we make our rate 24 for 12, and here, what's the question wants? We call it y over the wanted number of books. Look here, guys. dollars, books. ما بصير dollars books وهنا أحط books dollars. لا. dollars, books. Now, cross product, divide, you find the number. It's up to you to use what you want. You can find the unit price, then multiply. You can make the 2 units, multiply, find your answer. It's your choice. Abdul Hamid, your question.
Sir, my question is, you you always use the Y as a variable. Could I use another letter as a
Yes, you
variable?
can use S because it's the first letter of my name. So it's up to you. Variables, guys, are the English letters. So it's you can use any letter, you can use any variable. So it's okay. N, J, K, L, whatever. Okay.
Sir, does the first method works in any example?
Yes.
Okay.
In any example of this type. Okay. Yeah. Now, guys, let's go to our lesson and read example 1, page
I will
66.
close my mic. Okay?
Yeah. Close it, ماشي. Go, guys. Go to example 1 in page 66, guys. Let me get the eraser here. Guys, mute yourselves. I hear some noises here. Who can read, guys? Yell. Who can read? I want someone to read the example very clear. Yell. Okay. أنا read. محمد. يلا read. Example 1, guys. All of you. لا أحد يحكي لي which page. بزعل. Page 66. Go. Example 1. يلا. Read.
A warehouse sells 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce by the case. Each case contains 6 cans and sells for a price of...
Again بالله يا محمد مش مركز معاك أنا. Again.
A warehouse sells 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce by the case.
حلو.
Each case contains 6 cans and sells for a price of $9.96.
Wait, this is our first rate, guys. 9 point come?
$9.96.
$96 for how many cans?
6.
6 cans, okay? This is our first rate. $9.96 for 6 cans. Do not switch, guys. Do not switch. Down, number of items. Up, money. Okay, continue.
At a local grocery store, 3 15-ounce cans of the same brand of tomato sauce are on sale for 5.67.
Help. Look here, guys. Look here. I have two stores. What's the name of the first store, ya Muhammad? Warehouse. Hello. Warehouse. Right. The name of the second store?
Local grocery.
Grocery. ماشي. So, look here, guys, and focus with me to understand what's in the question. I have two stores. The first store called warehouse, the second store called grocery. The first store, guys, sells the 6 cans in $9.96. The second store sells the 3 cans in $5.67. Okay, guys? Hope you understand what I'm doing here. I'm preparing my rates. The first rate from the warehouse, the second rate from the grocery. Continue. What's the question? Continue.
How
Mister,
much?
it is 36, not 3.
What?
He say 36. 66.
Where?
In cans, it is
لا
36.
لا لا لا. Read the question. Read the third line. شو مكتوب؟ اقرأ. لا لا هو عبد الرحمن معلش محمد ويت. عبد الرحمن. لا the third line يا عبد الرحمن. The third line.
ثواني بس.
The third line حبيبي.
اللي هو there 15.
يا مستر the third line from the question. Read. حبيبي.
نعم.
See the third line. The third line.
Yes.
يلا read it.
At a local grocery store.
لا إله إلا
there
الله.
15
ماشي. At a local grocery store. Continue. What?
there are 15
مش
only.
there. لا هذه مش there يا مستر. اقرأ. عبد الرحمن. يا مستر talk with me. Talk with me. يا مستر here. عبد الرحمن where are you? Talk with me. عبد الرحمن.
مستر طلع من الميتنج.
ليش طلع؟ طب ما انا بحكي معاه.
هاي رجع يا مستر.
عبد الرحمن where are you؟
رجع طلع.
طيب يلا هيا. وين راح؟
I'm here مستر.
عبد الرحمن you said at a local grocery store right؟
Yes.
شو مكتوب بعد الجروسري ستور؟ شو هذه؟ 3 not there. It's 3. Okay. 3 from this type are sells for how many dollars? 5.67. Got it? The 36 is not related for this rate. Got it?
Okay.
Continue محمد كناكرية.
How much will the caterer save by buying 36 cans from the warehouse instead of from the grocery store?
Now, someone want to buy how many cans? Someone want to buy how many cans? 36 what?
Can.
Cans. بدي يشتري هدول. Okay guys, someone want to buy how many cans? 36 cans. And the question wants us to know if he used the two offers. If he bought 36 cans from this one and 36 cans from this one, how much he will save from the least price of them. Now to know it guys, we need to find the unit price here and the unit price here and find the price of the 36 cans in both offers. Okay guys, so let's know the 36 cans price in the first one. Now let's start with the warehouse. Now let's turn it to what guys? We'll turn it to know the price of this number. We need to turn it to unit price. How? By dividing on 6 up and down, right? So 9 $1.96 over 6 cans divided by 6 and divided by 6. This is equal down 1 can, up, up. Let's divide. Up we will divide 9.96 divided by 6. 1, 6, subtract 3, decimal 9, 6, 3, 6, subtract 3, 6, 6. صح? So it is 1.66 what? Dollars. Fine. The price of the 36, if 1 can is 1.66. What I will do? Who can tell? How we know the price of the 36 cans in this offer if we found here the price of 1 can? What we need to do, guys? Yalla, Bardawil, Ahmed.
Yes, mister.
What we will do, Ahmed?
We will multiply 1.66 with 36 cans.
Excellent boy. So I 36, guys, multiply 1.66 equals 36 multiply 1.66 equals. Let me multiply it here directly. 36 multiply 1.66. The answer will be 59 decimal 76-ish dollars. Okay, guys?
Okay.
So I multiplied them. This price for what? For the warehouse. Let's find the price for mean for the second part or the second store called grocery here. So for the grocery, let's find the unit rate of it, then multiply with 36 to know the price of the 36 cans. So 5.67 over 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. This will be 1 can, and up we'll divide normally 5.67 divided by 3. Here 1, 3, subtract 2, decimal 6, 8, صح? 8 by 3, 24, subtract 2, then 7, this is 9. 1.89-ish dollars. Now to know the price of the 36 cans in this store, we multiply, as Ahmed Bardawil said, 36 by the 1.89. 36 multiply 1.89 equal. Let me multiply them as Sariya using my calculator to save time. 36 multiply 1.89. This will be 68 decimal 0.4 dollars. Now, what I did, guys, what I did here, look here, and please focus. Let me erase this division. I don't need it. Okay. Now, let me summarize what I did here, guys, again. And if you didn't understand, try to understand with me now. Now we have two stores, warehouse store and grocery store. The warehouse store sells the 6 cans in $9.96. The grocery store sells 3 cans in $5.67. Someone wants to buy 36 cans. The question wants us to know how much he will save by buying from this one or from this one. Now, I took the first rate here for the warehouse and I made the unit price, and find the price of the 36. With them, I have 59.76. And the grocery here, also I did the same steps and I find the price of the 36, 68.04. Now, which one he will use, guys? He will use the warehouse because he has lower price here, right? But how much he will save, guys? Who can tell me how much he will save if he buy from the warehouse and not buy from the grocery? How we know?
Me, Mr.
Wait, Wallah, Mister. To understand more, guys, if you want to buy, مثلا, a bicycle, okay, a bicycle, and you have two stores. The first store, you can buy it with 100 riyal. The second store, you can buy it with 150 riyal, and the bicycle, the same type here. How much you will save if you buy from here than here? How much you will save? What we will do, guys? How can tell? Yes, tell, better.
You will save 50 riyals.
How we get the 50 riyal?
If you divide on
I divide يا زلمة.
means
ارحمني.
minus.
Subtract. If we subtract, guys, we know how much we will save. So here, if we subtract between these two numbers to know the difference between the two prices, we subtract to know what? The difference, and the difference in math means subtraction. So here I'll subtract 68.04 minus 59.76 to know how much this person will save. So here 68.04 minus 59.76 equal. We make normal subtraction. I'll subtract them here. 68.04. And if you remember in grade 5, the most important thing in adding and subtracting decimals is to align correctly. Put the decimal over decimal, then align the two numbers. Here we have 59.76. This is 59 and this is 76, and let's subtract to know the difference between the two prices. 4 minus 6, it cannot take from 0 روح على 8. This is 7, this is 10, this is 9, this is 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. Decimal comes down. 7 minus 9, it cannot. This is 5, this is 17. 17 minus 9, 8. 5 minus 5, 0. So how much you will save, guys? $8.28. $8.28 what? Dollars.
رجعنا لك جثي.
Now, I want all of you guys to remove your hands, please. Surah, remove your hands. I want you to put your hand if you have a question about this example. If you have a question about this example, put your hand. Yeah, I will select now. Omar Ala.
Mister, why did I write in the question 15 ounce?
What?
I don't understand when they write 15 ounce cans of tomato.
15? No, the 15 is name. Here, the 15, it is the name of this type, okay?
Yes.
Like when I say HD3. مثلا, مش we have screens HD3, right?
Yes.
HD3. هاي ال 3 name. It's name. It's not a value. Got it?
Yes.
So the 15 here is a name only. It's not a value. The name of the brand.
Yes, I understand.
Good. Else. Iyad. Your question, Iyad. 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 طيب. Iyad. I don't know what's the matter. طيب. So I don't have the questions now, guys. Let's go to the check under this example. We have a check. Who can read? Abdul Hamid, read. Abdul Hamid, put your hand.
Mr. Mia, can I read?
يلا هيو معي يلا.
Miranda typed 3.
Wait, Abdul Hamid. Wait, Habibi. Guys, all of you, we finish example 1. We are going to solve the check under the example. Before we go into the check, guys, معلش, wait just a minute, less than a minute. All of you go to the example, which we did, guys, in the board, and see the steps here.
Yes.
Abdul Hamid, read the last paragraph here.
The caterer will save 1.89 cents.
Hello.
Then comma
Continue.
$1.66 or
continue. أيوة or بدي الأور هذه.
or 0.23 per can buy buying from the warehouse instead of the grocery store.
حلو. Continue.
To buy
Continue.
36 cans from the
أيوة.
warehouse instead of the grocery store, the
أيوة.
caterer will save 36 by 0.23
Or what? Look here. Or what? You can see it?
Yes,
or
$8.28.
8.28.
Or 8.28, which is our answer here, guys.
Mister, what is
8.28, right?
what is 0.23 that he put?
This is the difference in selling, mister. That's why I gave you this way. So this way is easier, right, guys?
Yes.
This way is easier. Go to the check here, mister, and read the check under this example. Yeah.
Okay. Miranda typed 325 words in 5 minutes.
بس كم word؟
325.
ما شاء الله عليها سريعة هذه. Words
5 minutes.
in how many minutes؟
5 minutes.
Continue. مين هذه؟
Miranda.
شو اسمها؟ بيبسي. ماشي. Continue.
At these rates, how many more words can Miranda type in 9 minutes?
ميراندا قديش طبعت؟ 325 words in 5 minutes. How many
words can she
يا
type
زلمة
in
لا
9
لا يا
minutes?
حبيب يا غالي انت طنشت جوزيف انت. You skipped Joseph.
Joseph types 295 words in 5 minutes.
حلو. جوزيف ابن عمها قديه بيطبع؟ How many words he can type؟
295 in 5
ايوه.
minutes.
words in how many minutes؟
5 minutes.
كمان 5 minutes. حلو. Continue.
At these rates, how many more words can Miranda type in 9 minutes than Joseph?
طيب هلا in 9 minutes ها in 9 minutes we will compare
Could
between them.
Miranda type?
In 9 minutes we need to compare between them. Like here I have this rate, I have this rate, and someone wanna buy 36 cans. Here I have this rate, I have this rate, and one of them wanna type 9 minutes.
Yep.
Yes, in 9 minutes. Now, to know that, guys, we need to find how many
The
words
unit
in
rate.
1 minute. In 1 minute, the unit rate for Miranda and for me and Joseph.
For
So let's
Joseph.
start with Miranda here.
325 divided by
Yeah.
5.
325 over 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. This will be down 1 minute and up. Make long division. 325 divided by 5, 6, 30, subtract 2, 5, 5, 25, subtract 0. So the answer is how much? 65 words in how many minutes? In 1 minute. In 1 minute, she can type 65 words. مين هذه؟ Miranda. Let's see Joseph. يلا.
395 divided by 5.
يلا 2 هلا for Joseph 295 over
5 divided
5 divided by 5 divided by 5 down will be 1 minute
down will be 1
and
minute.
up let's divide 295 divided by 5 525 subtract 4 5 9
5 9 14 59
59 ish words. Read the question again. No, before you read the question, they want in 9 minutes, right?
Yes.
But let's find how many Miranda can type in 9 minutes now. How? By multiplying 9 by 65. Yeah. Now in 9 minutes, in 9 minutes, 9 multiply 65 equals, let's multiply 9 times 65, 9 by 5, 45, 9 by 6, 9 by 6,
9 49
63.
لا يا زلمة 54 ولا 54 plus 4 58. 9 by 6, 54. Plus 4, 58. So 585 words for Miranda.
585.
In 9 minutes. Type. For Joseph, in 9 minutes. Huh?
In
In
9
9 minutes.
59 by 9.
It is 59
59
words.
by 9.
9 multiply 59 equals. Let's make multiply. 9 multiply 59. 9 by 9, 81. 9 by 5,
9 by 5,
45. With 8, 53.
8,
5, 3, 1.
531
Ish. Words.
words.
Read the question.
She says,
How?
how many more words
But wait.
can Miranda type
Wait,
in
خلاص
8 minutes
خلاص.
Joseph?
Wait, you mister. Wait, Habibi. How many more, guys? This is a phrase of words. How many more? This is a question. When I say I have 10 real and my friend has, let's say, 23 real. How many more my friend than me? How many more?
Minus.
13.
13.
How we get the 13? 23 minus 10. So,
By minus.
how many more, guys, means we need to do subtractions. Here,
Subtraction,
585 minus,
585 minus
yeah,
531. Minus
equal.
531.
Let's make subtraction. 585 minus 531 and make subtraction. This is 4, this is 5, this is 0. 54 words. Means, what's this mean,
Miranda
guys?
can
In 9
Is
minutes,
that-
wait, Abdul Hamid, stop talking. In 9 minutes, guys, in 9 minutes, Miranda can type 54 words. That mean Joseph,
Joseph.
in how many minutes?
9 minutes.
You can copy the check. You can copy the check. While you are copying, if you don't understand the check, put your hands, please. If you don't have questions, remove your hands, please. Omar Ala.
Mister,
Yes, Omar.
I don't understand the question.
Read the question.
Miranda typed 325 words in 5 minutes. Why?
Hey, this is the rate of Miranda, right?
Yes.
Yalla, continue.
While Joseph typed 295 words in 5 minutes.
This is for Joseph. Got it?
Yes.
Yalla.
At these rates, how many more words can Miranda type in 9 minutes than Joseph?
But in 9 minutes, I need to know how many Miranda can type and Joseph can type. How? I turn both of them to unit rate. صح?
Yes.
Then I multiply how many minutes, 9, with the unit rate to get how many words for each one in 9 minutes. Get it?
Yes.
Now Miranda in 9 minutes can
close the
type
mic.
585. Right, Omar?
Yes.
And Joseph in 9 minutes he can type 531 words. Right, Omar?
Yes.
Mean